In short, I collided with what you would call a new curriculum. The political curriculum has changed completely.
The return of the pragmatic nationalist, Mao's tactical re-entry to parliament. Welcome to the Capital Insider. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down one of the most calculated political moves of the 2026 post-election season. Justice Minister Norbert Mao is back in the house, but as he made clear in his recent address, he isn't just returning to fill a seat, he's returning to claim a cake. After a high-stakes victory in Laropa, Gulu City, Mao is navigating a political landscape he calls the new curriculum. Here is our reaction to the key moments of his address. The speaker, rumor mill, tactical ambiguity. Mao addressed the elephant in the room. The viral rumors that he is eyeing the speaker's chair currently held by Anita. The clip.
Speaker, I want you to know that we even had a conversation about that with the speaker, and I told her that if ever the time has come for me to make that announcement, I'll do it myself.
Hard take. This is classic Mao. He doesn't say yes, but he definitely doesn't say no. By framing it as carrying out consultations, he's effectively putting the NRM on notice. He is signaling that his support in the North, which saw a massive jump for President Museveni, should be rewarded with high-level institutional power. The regional versus copy jab. Mao didn't hold back on the Democratic Party DP candidates who lost in the central region, Uganda, to the National Unity Platform. No. The clip.
If I'm a priest and I'm trying to compete with a witch doctor, then people say, yeah, then I think the witch doctor is the real deal. They will vote for the witch doctor.
Hard take. This is the most viral moment of the speech. Mao is essentially roasting his own party members for trying to out-radicalize NOP. His logic is simple. If you want a radical opposition, you buy the original NOP Bobby Wine, not the DP copy. It's a beta pill of DP members, but a masterclass in political branding. The new curriculum of politics. Perhaps the most sobering part of his speech was his reflection on the state of the Ugandan voter in 2026. Check out the clip.
We now have voters who relate more to TikTok celebrities than men and women of solid ideas. We now have an electorate that can change their vote for 2,000 shillings on election day.
Hatek, Mao is surrounding the alarm on populist politics. By admitting he collided with a new curriculum, he is acknowledging that the intellectual debate-heavy style of the 60s and 90s is dying. It's a rare moment of candor where a veteran politician admits he was out of touch with the grassroots reality of commercialized voting and social media influence. The claim on the political cake. Mao ended with a firm reminder to the NRM of why he is currently a pragmatic nationalist. Check the clip.
Fortunately, where I come from, we also gave the president serious votes. More than 80% on average. So this time we have a claim on the political cake. There is the national cake, which means roads, bridges, electricity, schools, health facilities. That is they call it the national cake. whether you have voted for the winner or not, you are entitled to it. But the political cake is based on how many votes you brought. And this time, in where I come from, the vote jumped from 44% to over 80%. And I was instrumental in shaping that narrative. I have always been the one scattering the president's votes in that area. This time I was the one gathering it. So I'm sure he will also take that into consideration as we carry out our consultations. And so the decision of who will be speaker is highly political, and there are many interested parties.
Our take, this is the invoice. Mao is essentially sending a bill to State House. Having delivered over 80% for Museveni in his backyard, he is no longer asking for a seat at the table. He is demanding a specific portion of the political cake. The verdict, Norbert Mao remains the most articulate strategist in the room. Whether he becomes speaker or remains a powerful bridge minister, his return to parliament makes a new chapter where DP's cooperation with NRM moves from a sacred pact to a public demand for power. In this, Mao has sent a cryptic warning to Anita or any other candidates vying for speakership, and a diplomatic message to NRM members. Thank you.